How do we administer CBD oil? 3 actionable ways to use CBD oil in 2019. Hey, it's natural DIY relief, and we know how it can be a problem figuring out what to do with CBD oil. Nevertheless, it's easy to have an information overload when searching for an answer. For this reason, we made a simple video explaining how to use CBD oil. Many people ask what are safe ways to use CBD at home, so please pay full attention. First thing to remember, pure CBD oil can be placed in droplets under the tongue until it absorbs into your mouth. Using it in this way is very effective in sending CBD directly to the bloodstream for fast effects. Then again, if you're experiencing vaping, you can vape the CBD using a vape pen. Vaping CBD also provides fast results for relieving painful sensations when done correctly. Last but not least, vapors contain e-juice oils like VG and PG, and we suggest doing research on which one works best for you. In fact, CBD can also be used in foods and beverages. It is normally used to substitute butter when cooking on a frying pan. In addition, we suggest using small amounts of CBD oil because cooking with small amounts helps to preserve the taste of the food that's being cooked. Another key point, when using CBD products, it's important to follow dosage guidelines. The right dosage can vary per person and depends on the individual using the product. We highly suggest using small amounts of CBD and working up to larger doses if needed. Equally important, you should make sure the CBD oil you're using doesn't contain harmful additives like herbicides and pesticides. By the same token, you should make sure that any CBD product you're using has gone through proper lab testing. Work CBD into your daily routine, and in less than a month you will notice an increase in the relief from chronic conditions. There are even faster strategies that can possibly eliminate the chronic pain caused by chronic conditions almost instantly. Okay, so you just learned a few ways to administer CBD oil. Did you find this valuable so far? Well, what if there was a way to relieve chronic conditions 2 times faster with half the amount of effort? Would that make chronic conditions all the more likely to go away? If you could do that, wouldn't you do just about anything to resolve the burdens brought by chronic conditions? Well, I've got good news, because at www.simplynaturaldiyrelief.com you can learn a free method to relieve chronic conditions by downloading our free ebook. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Hit that bell icon to be alerted of our next video. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.